In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by launching Settings and hitting Display. Then tap on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots located on brightness slider on the right. Then manage the same switcher over here, but this time save your changes by hitting Done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!